Assalamualaikum kids, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Children, today's our work is match the beginning sound with pictures and write the middle and ending sound. Now let's start our work. Okay children, who will tell me that what is this? Do you know children what is this? This is E. L. We can say that L. So, could you tell me that which pictures make a sound L? What is this? This is a zip. Z. Zip. What is this? This is a bib. B. And what is he doing? He is doing hit. So he is hitting. No. Hurt. And what is he doing? He is doing digging. And what is this? This is slave. Slave. So we will write here the spelling of slave. L-I-P, live. L-I-P, live. Now what will we doing? Now we will match the word live with the picture of live. Now children, what is the next word? What is the next letter? Next letter, and you can say that the next sound is P. P. And which picture is giving the sound of P? This is zip, big, hit, dig, lift, pin, nip. And what is this children? This is pin. Your pin. So we will write here the spelling of pin. P-I-N, pin. And now we will match the word pin to the picture of pin. Now children, which sound is this? Z. Z. And look at the pictures. And which things is giving the sound of Z? Yes, this is zip. Z. And the spelling of zip is Z-I-P, zip. Now children, we will match the word zip to the picture of zip. Children, which letter is this? T. T. And the sound of T is T. Now look at the picture again. This is B, bib, H, hit, D, dig, L, lip, T, tin. Yes, this is tin. So spelling of tin is T-I-N, tin. T-I-N, tin. Now children, we will match the spelling of tin to the picture of tin. Which letter is this? This is N. This is N. And which thing is matched to this sound? Yes, this is nib. Look at here, children. This is nib, and the spelling of nib is N-I-B, nib. Now we will match the spelling of nib to the picture of nib. Now children, which sound is this? D. D. And we also say that D. And now look at the picture. Which picture is matched to this sound? This is B, bib, H, hit, D, dig. Yes. This is dig. and the spelling of dig is D-I-G, dig. Read it again, D-I-G, dig. Now we will match the spelling of dig to the picture of dig. Okay children, tell me, which sound is this? Th. Th. And you can also say that this is the letter of H. Which letter is this? This is H. And which is giving the sound of H? With the head. And the spelling of it is H-I-T, head. Now we will match the spelling of head to the picture of head. Now match it. Which sound is this? B. B. And which is matched to the spelling of B? Yes, this is a bib. Bib. And the spelling of bib is B-I-B, bib. B-I-B, bib. Now you will match the spelling of bib to the picture of bib. I hope children you will understand that how can we match the beginning sound with their pictures. You will do this work at home with the guidance of your parents. Children, this is your Phonic Language Series 3, means the book of PLS. Now open the page number 30. Children, this page we have already done on board, so you will do this page, means page number 30, and also you will do the page number 28 and page number 29 with the guidance of your parents. Children, on the page number 28 you will write the same words which here are given, means this is pin, P-I-N, pin. So you will write here the spelling of pin, P-I-N, pin. And you will write again here the spelling of pin, P-I-N, pin. And on the page number 29, you will read and circle the correct picture. Which word is this? N-I-B, nib. And where is the nib? Here is a nib. And then you will circle over there. You will circle around the nib. Children, all 3 pages you will do at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.